Hello everybody, my name is Philip from the channel Los Santos Polski Hity, and we are playing My Garage, the episode 2 out of 2, which is part 2, second part of the two-parter game, where earlier we were working on the car called Jessa. So we got all the necessary parts here to work on it. Let's try to make this video no longer than requires. So let's start putting it together. Oh, uh-oh. That's a big no-no. That's not how you restore cars. Maybe in America. Yes. I put the wheels on. Game decided to crash. Okay, not a problem. Don't damage the body panels. There is no point of making video if there's no F-ups. No? Which F-up? Like a good start to the year. I know what the problem is. The car is not properly on the lift, and I said I want to make it short and sweet. Alright, let's fix it. Move all this, and also you see those two engines. From these two engines I made one engine. Yeah, that's how roll. Alright, let's fix this up. Oh, I don't want to make damage to the body panels. Mad, full mad version. So okay, first things first, of course. Do that. We have to put these back on underneath the way, so they won't be interfering with suspension, like that. Okay, that will do for now. This one, see anything? Get it somewhere. Okay. I know it's not precisely on the lift, but I don't want to damage the car too much, so let's just put that in. Hopefully, there'll be no more F-ups. I don't like it, even though it's fun. Watch your creation damaged. Go in the flames. Not today, guys. Maybe next time. Have plenty to do this year for you guys on this channel. There's gonna be more videos, promising. And as you know, I'm only one man. I don't have a team or production. I don't have, like, some YouTubers have editors for the videos, stuff like that. I'm a one-man person. So everything you see on my channel, one-man work. So sometimes you have to bear with me that I cannot give you everyday episodes because I have a daily life too. But I'm trying my best to make you a best movies, not movie industry, but make the best videos I can. Hopefully soon we're gonna get more than 300 subscribers. Biggest hope for now is to make my channel grow and see where we'll get us. Now I have to probably soon enough, hopefully soon enough, I'll be able to upgrade my computer to something better, like graphic cards, so I can make better videos, better quality games, not only play games that my PC can run. Also, I can make videos for your enjoyment and see where that goes. But for now, I have few games in the Steam library, not enough space and time in my day schedule to make videos regular, but that's okay because I'm trying my best for you, and some people appreciate it, some people don't. That's how it works. We don't judge people. you shall be judge yourself. I'm happy for what I get and for the people liking my material. If they enjoy it, they enjoy it. If they don't enjoy it, that's still okay, because well, I'm one man. One man cannot conquer the world on its own. And I forgot how to attach the bumper. We might put a toe hitch. Okay, that's back bumper. That's cost us a few minutes. That's okay. I'm trying to make today make the video as fast as possible. So you know, like when the engine is complete, I build it from those two engines, made one perfect engine. And also I had to buy a few parts from the shop as well, because you know, not everything on the engine was perfect. Oh, hold on, there's gonna be temporary lag. Now what we do is that, then we have to do is connect the cables. Just fuel pump running. Oh, how was your day today, everyone? Did you had a good day at school, work? Are you enjoying coming from work, watching my videos? Are you still think that I'm just basic? Just does the videos because there's nothing better to do in the daytime. Be honest, that's what I am. I am just a basic human. I don't have lots of subscribers, but I make videos because it makes me happy. It relaxes me. I can share videos with people that enjoy it. And for those who don't enjoy it, well, that's their choice. You know, we have choices in this world. We don't have to all like the same videos. And speaking of that, I'm thinking about bringing another series back to my channel, which is My Summer Car. It's coming back officially because I'm doing a new another season starting. Another season we're starting this year. Another season. I want to start another season. And this season, I'm hoping to actually do most of the things that the game has to offer before. And I'm only starting the new season because, as you all know, I'm waiting for the game called My Winter Car to come out. I'm very hyped about the game, and hopefully the developer soon, or one of those days, gonna release it. For now, it's just, you know, dreams. So dream big. It might come true one day. Yes, we're already on the 8 minute, and the car is started looking like a car. Testing. So now we need to choose gearbox. No automatic. We go for one that has the already, what you call it, starter. Okie dokie. Starter needs cable connection. There are certain things you can do from this angle. Get all the screws if you want to. What I usually do. And now we can connect the start. You see, all these parts are recycled from two engines. And the car outside was a donor for all certain parts. So at some stage, I'm gonna rebuild that car too. So that way, I don't have to rush with my build. Because before we're gonna start new season, there's one more car I need to build, and that's the Bart. That's the last car to be built, and I tell you guys, it's gonna be fantastic build. And I'm thinking maybe this time I'm gonna go with one full episode, maybe two. It all depends how the time's gonna be on my side. But I'm hoping that some of you are enjoying it, and whoever likes these kind of series of me breaking cars apart and see me, you know, failing, in them, then I'm happy at least that I can F up on the YouTube and make some people laugh, because and they can laugh at me because I fuck up in these games, which is good, because it's, you know, there is no perfect person. It's not good to be always perfect in the video game. Sometimes it's good just to do bad things in the game and don't do perfectly. That's that. All we need to do is fill in the liquids afterwards, buy the hood, paint it. Now we have to go to accessories really quickly and start by buying a gear shifter, because last time I built this car I forgot about this. Oh, very nicely done, guys. We dropped it under the car because that's where it belongs. Everything is built. Anyone who was watching the part 1 of this restoration video, they know that all the panels on this car was changed. We started the whole frame. We're building the whole frame from the scratch. And as you can see at the moment, we're gonna buy those two things because they go nicely together. And now we have a dashboard. Usually I always like to check, because I took out the motor, the window, and have to tell you guys, I am not 100% sure if we did good job, because the car looks like it has a bent panels. We may be effed up, but it's okay. It's a runner. It's gonna be used for, you know, doing the jobs for us outside, deliver parts, go for a test drive next time. The next episode, obviously, I'm gonna make sure to take it for a nice spin. Good luck. And we're gonna go visit the map. Alright, we have 2 bulbs for the back, and we need 4 for the front. Yep, everything. Yeah, let's not get distracted. This motorbike is still undergoing. That's my side project. Okay, let me have a look. We're gonna go interior, because I need to buy the header, which, if you think about the name header, sounds like something you have, the header for the combine harvester. Yep. Now we're gonna do is buy the seats, pedals already in the car, 2 visors, and the mirror. If I find different interior, I'm gonna change it. But for now, I'll stick with the original one. Well, the one from the shop, because the original one was brown, but it was badly damaged. So I will probably, if I wanted to keep the interior, I will have to do what I always do, which is go to the store, buy a second car, second-hand car, and wait until a perfectly nice interior will show up. And then, what I will do with the rest of the car. Good question. What would you do with the car like that? I would probably try to burn the engine on it, but at the moment there's no wear and tear of the parts. So okay, that's the original tire that came from it. Don't know where this car was hidden or who was owning it before me, but I'm the new owner now. And we're gonna make sure this car gets a good treatment. And then next episode we're gonna do the BART. So usually when I make those videos, I always make a mistake, and I always say to myself, why is not the car starting? And then I look at it in the engine compartment, and there you go, you didn't connect the fuel hose line. So how the car can start if there's no fuel leaking out of the car, causing like a vacuum? Instead of starting, it's in the air. Now we're gonna do is buy windows, so that way we can have some things already completed. That way the car will look like a car, will drive like a car. Stay tuned and we'll find out. Alright, now I'm not gonna even bother do anything at the moment. All I need to do is find the ignition, turn it to number 1. Okay, wipers are working. And I'm happy for it. Oh, yeah. I know you won't start because there's no fuel. But it cranks. Okay. We have seats, that. The whole dash. Radio. Also donation from that beautiful car outside. Glove box. We're talking, blah blah blah, you know, guys, and then we're forgetting the glove box. The doors are here, ready to be put it on. Next thing is to roll it off the thing. We're already on the 15-minute mark. I'm telling you guys, we're making good timing. I have to say. We're making good timing for once. Which for me, it's usually not a good idea. I'm joking, it's always a good idea to make good timing, especially on the builds, because you cannot make a good build and you just gonna destroy it. That's cool because you're the one who created the build the car from the scratch and spend all these hours. Feel free to destroy it. I would too if I could destroy it. But for me, at the moment, it's not possible because I have to try to make this video short as possible. I would love to make a longer video again, like hours, but we are ready. All we have to do is just put the body panels back on. And pretty much the car is gonna look good the way it looks. Maybe in the future it's gonna add more parts to it, so that way we can actually own something and drive something, knowing that we built it. There's the old tires here from the other cars. I'm gonna clean up the workshop later on a bit, making sure that everything is up to order. Now what we need to do is just put in the lights, screw them in, put the bulbs in, and then the bulbs and everything, the doors, fill it up with the liquids, and then there we go, we have a car finished. I think we have everything we need. I don't think we forgot anything. We'll find out soon enough. Give me the little bulb. You can go in here. Give me another bulb, thank you. Yes. I speed up my, because usually if I had to go through the suspension build, it's the same suspension build as we did for the CAD when we built the car from the scratch when it came out. Brand new, has an update, so I don't have to go through everything again. Suspension, not a change. All I did was take out the old suspension, change few discs and nuts, rebuild it. Put all the wires to make sure they're connected, because once I start the car there's no wires connected. And I will not start the engine on the dry engine part, but we can do this, which is find the ignition again, turn the key, and hop through the battery's on, then we press the little thing, wiper switch. Where's the lights? We have to hop in the car like you would drive. Press the L button. L button for light. That's emergency. There we go. Right, now we're gonna do is test. Oh, hold up, guys. All four lights, backlights, backlight. It's interesting how it works because look, I have to go back here to turn the lights off. Then we have to roll the car backwards up the lift. At first, we're gonna fill out the liquids. No, that's not a liquid, idiot. There we go. Everything is labeled, so you cannot mix it. Cannot put the wrong cap in the wrong place. Alright, so let me go grab the drinks. But no one's gonna drink that. No, no, no. Let's fill it up, start it up, see if she runs. The engine goes, and then at least we know right to start a car. Am I selling this one? No, I'm keeping it. In the future, we're gonna do more things to it. Maybe change the color. Maybe put a lowered suspension for it, you know? Lower the suspension. I already did the video about what's the difference between the high suspension and lower suspension, so I'm not gonna bother with making that video again. Because it's the same suspension as for the Chad. All I have to do is change few things, and there you go. We're gonna use our super strength to see, and it's all the way up. I'm gonna drop this in, and we got coolant filled in. Now we're gonna go grab the oil, because you know I'm gonna make the long videos. I have to do another video for you. Probably gonna give a spoiler. The next video I'm working on is my summer car video. Don't know how many of you would like to see it, but it's gonna be on my channel again. We have enough breaks for now, and that's this. Pump it out a few times. In real life you do, not in the game. Yes, thank you for reminding me. The starter has no ground. I don't know if this car would start or not. The engine, to be honest, it's not a brand new engine, right? I got from two cars engine and this one, so three cars, because I got, you know, engine from that car and the other car. There is the result of two engines. They're gonna be rebuilt into one engine for the other car in the shed down there. Now I think oil. Then put the fuel, start her up, see if she runs. Take her outside. I'm gonna sell this rack outside. I'll probably drag it into the ship. And then we'll see what's gonna happen. And then we'll see how things go. And then things gonna go well, and we'll see how it goes. And now we're gonna check the oil. Need more. We already ran out of oil, but we got enough oil to start the car. Now all we need is 10, and then we should be okay. start a sound animation like in My Summer Car where you twist and it's going to closing sounds. The last thing to do is to fill up the car with petrol. Oh, there is the fuel cap. Let's see if we still got it. And we'll see. Now it's filling. It's a 60 liters box. We'll see how it goes. And then it should be good for starting. We'll see how it's gonna go, and then things from there. Then the thing's gonna go well, and then we'll see after we fill up the tube. Now it's spilling outside, so it's gonna go. And then we're gonna do is put the fuel cap on. There. Oh, we're not finished yet because we need to put the dusts. Then it should cut the keys. It's sticking out, that's a good idea. So now we're gonna do this. Are we having everything? Just let the car start. I think so. And there we go. Coming apart. I don't think we have food for this car because I sold it to the old one. Yeah, the hood been sold. The doors are here. Let's lower it off the lift. Pull out these arms. Grab it outside so we can put the doors on. And we should be good. Honest. Enter. And it should work fine. It should work. Nearly finished. All it's left to do is just put on the second doors. Then we should be good. All the screws in. Yes we do. Let's put the lacquer off, the doors on, and then we should be good. Yes, got to spend one bit. Very good. Alrighty tighty, where is it? There we go. Okay, what's the color code? 05917. What's the color? Mixing up the little imperfections. And now we need to just get the hood. So that's gonna be his body. And where's the hood? Hood. I've seen the hood, but where is it? Ah, there's the hood. The last piece of the hood. The hood. Hi. Getting my mouse mixed up. Love it. But I don't like to personally with any blues or blacks. I like to find the missing spots. The hood is the last piece of this beautiful toy to be fixed. Then from there on, video for today. And then we should shoot for the day. And where is the key? There is the key. We grab the dongle. And we made it before night time with good timing as well. Running up on us. Want to spread luck. Anyway. And still have a sun. See, that's the problem with this is you cannot see it until you bring that car outside in the sun. Those imperfections that I made when painting this. There will be no complaint because in the different state in America. So the car is gonna idle for a bit. And that's me for today finished. Another nice shot. And that's all I'm gonna go for. And alright, everybody. My name is Phil from the channel Santos Posquehite, and you are watching my garage episode. Sorry, part 2 out of 2 for this beautiful Jessica build it, and in the future might do another one of those and see where it's gonna bring us. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And also tell me, what should we do with this car? Shall we take it for a spin? Should we lower the suspension? Or maybe raise up the suspension instead? You can always leave the comment down below. You know? That's me for today. Bye bye.